Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 12. This is Section 2.3, Problem 12. It says write the fraction in simplest form, and we have 220 over 80. Now you'll notice this is an improper fraction. They call it an improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. It means you have more than one whole item, but that's okay, we can still reduce it. So right away I can see that because both numbers, the top and bottom numbers, end in a 0, I can basically just slice off the 0. Now that's technically not really what's going on. What's really going on is I'm dividing 10 into both numbers evenly. So as I eliminate the last 0, the problem becomes 22 over 8. And in reality, like I say, 10 divided into 220 is 22, 10 divided into 80 is 8. Now, because both numbers are still even, I can see that I can reduce again. So I can cut them both in half. Half of 22 is 11, and half of 8 is 4. Now I have 11 over 4, and if I look at that, I'll see that it cannot be reduced any further. That's in simplest form. Now, because it's an improper fraction, if you like, you could convert it back to a mixed number, but in reality, this is reduced to its simplest form, 11 over 4.